There's a lot of geometry in the corrugation and the ridges here. And there's also, when I'm trying to take a screen recording, it was too much for my computer. You may have the same problem, or in that case, you would want to design using a simpler shape. So my computer is still going a little slow with this. I'm going to start a new file here and do a simpler format over here. So if you can move those shapes around that I provide with the step file, great. If not, you can do this where you go to Create and Box. Oh, did that do cylinder or box? Cylinder. Create, Box. And we're going to select a plane to start with, a corner to start with, and we're going to do something that is the size of a shipping container, which is length 40 feet, width 8 feet, height 8 feet. Alright, so that shape is a little more boring, less realistic, but possibly easier for computers to deal with. So come on, computer, let's go. So now that you have this shape, you can use move copy commands. I'm going to close my other document to try to speed up the computer a little bit. Well, I'd like to keep that open if I can. You can take this shape, use modify move copy to select this object, and then create copy, and then you can drag it up and down and rotate it to get something interesting like this. I probably wouldn't have them overlap like that, although you could put stairs in there. It'd be a lot of welding and a lot of cutting, but that'd be interesting. I'm going to bring this up a little bit here, and then you could think about, how would I create a space underneath this, on top of this, inside of this? How would they all connect? Would there be stairs? Would there be roofs? What would be working there to make that space work? The very simple example I came up with over here in this other document is just cutting a hole for a door that would go out onto a deck on top of this structure here, and then just adding another box that I rotate and manipulate to show where a roof might be, or then I could also use this to show where stairs might be going up to the second story or something like that. So when you're done with your file, whether it's the simple boxes or the container step file that I provide that you open in Fusion, you can share that with me by saving it as an F3D file, exporting it as F3D or a step file, and emailing it to me so I can check it out. And if you would like it to affect your grade for one of the design projects in my classes, please let me know in the email and we will make that work. I hope you have fun with this, and let me know if you have any questions.